welcome to this channel. Hope you all are doing great. In this episode, we'll discuss another maxim on equity. Equity will not suffer a wrong to be without a remedy. This maxim is based on the Latin phrase Ubi Jus Ibi Remedium, which means where there is a right, there is a remedy. If the law provides a right to the pupil on certain matter and such right has been infringed, then there must be a remedy. The equity court here will provide a remedy as to the loss of right. As to the maxim, if a wrong caused to the right as established by the provisos of law, then such wrong will not be left out unheard or unaddressed. The equity court will provide a remedy. To understand the maxim better, we take an illustration. The law has provided the right to cast vote. In one of the voting stations, the particular set of voters who have the right to cast vote were refused by the officer. Here two things arose. One, law has given right to cast vote, and two, the act of the officer by restraining the voters from casting vote is a wrong. Then the law will provide remedy to that very wrong. This maxim states that where common law provides a right and also gives the remedy to address the infringement of that very right. In short, if the law provides any right, then it also provides the remedy for the infringement. It recognizes the wrongs which are well established wrongs, which hinder the civil rights, property rights, but not the moral wrongs. Let us know where this very maxim found its recognition. 1. Trust Act. 2. Specific Relief Act. The limitation of this maxim are 1. Moral wrongs. 2. Self-negligence. 3. The rights which are not recognized by the common law courts. In Shiv Shankar Dal Mills and others versus the state of Haryana and others, Supreme Court 1979 observed that the root principle of law, merit to justice, is Ubi Jus Ibi Remedium. In state of Karnataka versus Messrs Siddharth Infotech Private Limited, Karnataka High Court 2020 observed any party whose rights are violated must have a remedy in law. In Ram Mahajan versus Subdivisional Magistrate Gurudaspur and others, Punjab and Haryana High Court 2017 observed that every wrong law provides a remedy. In Shish Ram and another versus the Board of Revenue, Uttar Pradesh, Allahabad and others, Allahabad High Court 1986, in the judgment mentioned the statement of law as initiated in Halsbury's Law of England, 4th edition, volume 10, para 716. The general rule is that wherever there exists a right recognized by law, there exists also a remedy for any infringement of such right. In the word of the old maxim, in Amrit Singh Kalra, dead by L.R. and others, versus Pramod Gupta, dead by L.R. and others, Supreme Court 2002 observed courts must preserve the rights of the parties and assist them, not deny them remedy. At last, we may say the court of equity is also the court of justice. So, a party whose right under law has been infringed has the right to get remedy from the court.